very clearly for us.
Kata mahuriane te kana, esa manetilo apugan Jimmy Otim ngesi abala ebem. Esu kunyikiadi ketena Apollo nako ICC emsagoke Dominic Ongwen adakatait nako kuju. Naiwo mitere Aitac Itunga lwabu ngesi Etisila opone sholu egelegela.
Now in December last year, on the 15th of December, is when the appeal chamber decided to issue a decision confirming both the conviction and the sentence. That therefore means that the case of Dominic Ongwen has now moved to the reparation phase, where the victims of the Ongwen case are waiting for the reparation order that will be issued by the judges to guide on the reparation implementation. As we know, the case has been active before the court since 2005, when the court issued arrest warrant, and some of the arrest warrants issued against the top military commander were terminated following their death.
Haramani tunga kane ko sorotim John Santos Labeja ngese tiko gongtebe Itunga lo ipulu ko la potwa dumutu Etisilaro akani nike Dominic Ongwen ngese koto apugana ganga chud.
Now that Ongwen has been sentenced, convicted, and his conviction is now 25 years. According to the court, he must now face repairing the damages he caused.
Epodasi tunga aina peta no atachona Itunga isunya kinaitolot.
Ajelo mwe korasa potalom. Akele karite judgment baro politiko gomorebe to salagi. Ara yesi kapitele katolo sakiro. Yoro pananu wa reparation. Pole jare ke pole jai wa item na rere ai rere wangai dum konto dum zakanga. So the wangai era se affected no pana jena mawe. Jai wa item na ai yogori to mama we le mutai ko jitu mu kera. Nyare le mutai era iro ko de itipipiliti na ri chetunga mamedum nete na atwakata kui twa beta ito sa kile kui de lo moreto ma ya go de bakai lo la reparation nyedo mu gore yasi fa na bere mu
Dilax Emi Alamu Charles Abraham Akol Kanuka TV East.